super excited to go view. I've been wanting to see it. Today I did something so different. I have on hoops. So if you guys didn't know, I do sell accessories on VillaBlvd.com. This is the XL big hoop earrings. I love them. They're not too heavy. They're really thick, and the gold matches like my real 14 karat. So if you guys do want to get these, it is still 20% off. You guys can use code July20 and you'll get 20% off the entire purchase. So yes, I love them. They actually have a bar here, which is really cool, and this is really good. It's the house meal. It's called Thank You Bags. So cool, look at this. That is so cool. Hi. This is so cool. Okay, wait. Alrighty, so we just made it to lunch. We're at the Yard House, so I'm about to order, eat, and then we're probably about to head back home. Hey you guys, so today we are going to go check out one of the locations for the music video we're shooting. It is for the album Lifeline. Also, I just have to go to the nail shop today because I broke 2 nails. And I do want to get a different color. I don't know what color I want to get though. I'm thinking white or a bright hot pink. Alrighty, so I kind of already know what I want to wear today. I'm gonna wear a black dress. to edit a video that I just did this weekend.
I know you're gonna hold me down. You're the only one that came around. I really hope you make it. Really hope you make it.
Hey guys, so we are headed to go see my mom, and we have to go still check out some video shoots. All right, y'all, I'm outside again. We just made it to Gilbert Regional Park. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And it's beautiful, y'all. Pretty out here. Look at the lake.
Yeah, baby.
It's so pretty out here, y'all.
This is gonna be a scene right here. I really hope you. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Oh my gosh! And then look over there.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we are gonna go get some lunch too. So we just made it to Clay's Dogs, and I've never been here. They sell sliders and chili cheese dogs and all different types of toppings. This has to be so good. The chili cheese dog was bomb. The macaroni and cheese was good. I'm gonna try this brisket slider. So everything is good. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.